guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to write our first program in Python as we have already installed Python and PyCharm in our PC or system. So you can watch my previous video for reference. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make our first file and then write our first code. So here in this section, you will see your files. This is the directory or the project that we have created yesterday, and in this box you will type your program. In the below box you might have not seen it, or you might not getting it yet, but after running your code you will see this box, and here your output will come out. Alright, so first go to your project name, right click here, go to new, and then create on Python file. Then create your first Python file name. Let me give the name as new file and then press enter. Okay, so our new file has been created, and what we gonna do with it. So first I'm going to write as print statement, and in it I'm going to write hello world. So hello world is that line or statement that I want as an output. So this print function is going to help me with that. So print is a function that is going to help me to get hello world as an output. Okay, so I'm going to run it now. Go to run in the upper ribbon and click here, then go to run. You can go with this also, but possibly you will get here run main. So here you will see the main file. So I will go just for the run so that you can refer it, and then click here with on the new file, and as you can see here the hello world has been printed out. I'm going to type another print statement here, print, let's suppose Elon Musk. Okay, so now I want Elon Musk as an output of this program along with the hello world. So I'm going to run with this program from here. Okay, you can go with clicking here also. So click anywhere, just run the program, and you will see Elon Musk on the output section. Okay, so this is about the print function. So print is an function in the Python program that will give you the output that you want. Okay, you can type anything into this print function, and whatever is uh, given reference to that will become out. So if suppose I have given a variable, let's suppose a, and the value of a is equal to 1. So when I will type print a, so you can assume now that what I will get in the output. So let's see now, you are right or wrong. Yes, many of you are right. I suppose all of you are right. So here, hello world, Elon Musk, and I got the 1 as an output. So don't worry about that, how this happened and all. This is our just first program. If you are zero in programming or zero in Python, just don't worry, sit back, relax. I will tell you everything about it, so just don't worry. Okay, so this is all about our first program. I will see you in our next video. So take care, bye, see you in the next one.